Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would just do a short and simple video for you guys, which is just an updated brow routine. And so let me just show you how I do it. First, I start off with the e.l.f. Cosmetics liner and brow cream in the shade Espresso. I just use a small angled brush that I have from Essence. And I just start, you could see how thin and sparse my natural eyebrows are. And so I just start by outlining the lower portion of my brow with the product.
Can I break this hole from you? It would mean
And I don't know what happened here. It got super blurry for like, I don't know, a good chunk of time. It will refocus eventually when I get on to the next part, but I just go all the way from the front of my brow to the tail of my brow.
everything to me if I do. Tired of hearing excuses you're making.
And then I do the same thing to the top. I just outline, but I do leave about like a centimeter of space in the front where I don't do at first because I put the bulk of the product from there to the tail, and then with whatever remaining product I have on my brush, I will go back to the front and very lightly press onto my skin to make the line a little lighter because I like the last 3/4 of my brow to be super dark and the front to be a little lighter, just to, I mean, obviously they don't look natural, but just to give it more of a natural feel, I suppose. And then I just take more product and I start filling in my brow. I start from the end and I work my way front to do the same thing. Put most of the darkness onto the last 3/4 of my brow, and then when I get to the front, I will be applying with a lighter hand.
Future is said it is mine for the taking. Spending a lifetime living I've made up. I need to wake up.
And then right here, when I do the front, I do use a lighter hand, and there's like barely any product on the brush. And I just kind of feather some color in there, just so it's like a lighter wash of color than the other portion of my brow. And then I used the angle liner brush from Bodyography, I do believe, yes. And then I just used the very tip of the point of the angle. What? Okay, so like the tip of the brush where like the angle is the most precise, and I coat it with a bunch of the product, and then I just create little hair strokes with the product to kind of give the impression that I have more hair in the front part of my brow than I actually do. And then just here's a little side-by-side comparison of me with like practically no brows, and then what they look like once I fill them in, and that is pretty much the end of this video. Sorry I missed the video on Tuesday, but I will have 2 videos up next week. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next one.